What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a quick review on something that I've always wanted, which is a parts washer for my home garage. Now, if you were around for the last video, you saw me use this very tool, the Black Widow, for cleaning some parts off of my C55 AMG engine, and it worked very well. So today I'm gonna give you my thoughts on the Black Widow, and we'll go over things like price, build quality, functionality, and also realistic expectations. I found this on discountramps.com, and it's part of the Black Widow lineup of garage tools. This includes things like the parts washer, lights, creepers, jacks, and a really cool hydraulic press that I want. I reached out to Discount Ramps and they were kind enough to send out the parts washer and offer a 15% discount code to all my viewers for every single item on their website. So let's dive right into price. Normally this unit is $129.99, but if you simply click on the link in the description box below or enter the coupon code 15NOW, you'll receive 15% off, which makes this thing only $110 plus shipping. The Black Widow parts washer is constructed completely of steel and, of course, is painted gloss black, so it looks absolutely amazing. Now, it only took me about 15 minutes to put this parts washer together, and it uses 20 screws, lock washers, and nuts. They even give you some extra just in case you lose them. Now, especially considering the price point of this parts washer, this is a very sturdy and strong unit. If you get really crazy with washing your parts, it will rock back and forth a little tiny bit, but that's totally to be expected and doesn't affect anything at all. Something else I really like is that the lid is super easy to open. It is assisted by a spring, so although this spring-loaded hinge is a little bit noisy, it works perfectly fine. Right away, you'll notice that this does have a flexible nozzle for your cleaning solution. This is really neat. You can kind of set this up however you'd like, and it stays that way as you wash your parts. Something else that I like is that they include a smaller parts washing bin, so you can put things like nuts and bolts and smaller parts inside of this bin, and you won't lose anything. You can also remove this if you want even more room, and then that leaves this larger tray exposed here, so you can place larger items on the tray, and this does slide back and forth, and you can remove this as well. With that tray removed, you have a ton more room here to wash whatever you need to wash. Now, this is the pump and the pump housing, and it does have a removable front cover with a filter, and this is something that you can clean however often you want and just continue to reuse it. The on-off switch is located on the side of the unit, and it is protected by a rubber cover so you don't get any water in the switch. Now, this runs on a normal wall outlet, as you can see here, so there's no need for running 220-volt electricity to this parts washer. So you guys have probably seen me use this in my last video where I cleaned up a bunch of engine parts for my Mercedes, but if you missed that one, let me just show you how easy this is. You just flip your switch on, and there you go. It's a real basic tool, guys. It works very, very well, and they do offer a 1-year warranty with this unit. Now, let's take a look at the table here where I have the cleaning solution and some other supplies that I use to wash my parts. Picking the proper solvent, cleaning solution, or degreaser for any parts washer is very important, and some of these parts washers will have specifications on fluids that you can and cannot use. Now, many people will use things like kerosene and diesel fuel, but in my case, I wanted something that was a lot less harsh with a lot less odor, and Discount Ramps recommended I use mineral spirits with the Black Widow parts washer, but I found that to be pretty expensive. So instead, I did my research and I found a product called Oil Eater. Now, this has a ton of awesome reviews on Amazon and is by far the cheapest route you can go. For this 5-gallon tub, it cost me $50, but this is only a 4-to-1 ratio, so 4 parts water, 1 part cleaning solution. So I had a lot of this left over that I diluted down even more to clean my garage floor. So I cleaned a lot of parts on the Mercedes with this, and it worked very well. But one thing I noticed is that you can't let the parts soak in the parts washer. I mean, you can, but it doesn't do much, whereas something like diesel or kerosene would actually kind of melt away the oil and remove all the oil and grease. This requires a little bit of elbow grease from things like this. And these are just some steel brushes that I got off Amazon too. These are super cheap, and you can
can also get a plastic one. Something else that I found online as kind of a neat trick is if you want your cleaning solution to stay clean for a really long time, you can buy sponges like this. Now, these are actually meant for things like pools and for hot tubs, and you just place them in the water, or in this case in the parts cleaning solution, and they soak up all the oil. So you can see this one has started to soak up some oil, and then you just remove it after a little bit, and you can rinse it out or clean it, and once they get kind of nasty, you just throw them out. It was only 13 bucks for both of these. Something else that's important, even if you're using something that isn't as harsh like the oil eaters, is you want to wear some gloves. I usually just wear my black or blue shop garage gloves, or if you want to look super tough, you can go with some dishwashing gloves like this.
All right, guys, let's talk realistic expectations and what is the real deal with the Black Widow parts washer. Well, I don't need to go too deep into the global economy that we all live in. You guys know how that works, and you guys know that a parts washer at this price point, or one very similar to this one, is sold by many different outfits online. The reason I went with the Black Widow initially was simply because it was black. I didn't want a yellow one or a red one or anything weird. Then I was able to reach out to discount ramps on the phone and speak to someone in the United States, and they had really good customer service, and what sealed the deal for me was the fact that they would offer you guys a 15% off discount code. So total no-brainer for me. And I've worked with very similar parts washers just like this one at shops that I've worked at or at friends' houses, and they all work very well. They last a very long time, and it's a very basic tool. You have your pump, you have your sink, and that's about it. There's not much to go wrong here, and this is gonna be awesome for like 99% of the normal DIY guys working in their own home garage like me. Probably the most important factor in how clean your parts actually get will be the degreaser or the solvent that you use, and simply how much elbow grease you want to put into cleaning your parts. With that being said, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. It really helps me out. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and if you've been around for a while, this is kind of like a bonus video. I'll see you guys in a few short days, probably working on the C55 right over there. I hope that everybody has an awesome day, and I will see you all in the next video.